You listen to me for the next few minutes. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm here to tell you the truth you've been avoiding. Procrastination is not just a bad habit. It's not some quirky personality trait. It's a thief. It's stealing your time. It's robbing your dreams. It's killing the person you were meant to become. And the worst part? You've been letting it. Think about it. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it when I feel ready." Or "I just need a little more time." And then nothing changes. Days pass. Weeks pass. Suddenly, it's been years. And you're still standing in the same spot, same dreams, same excuses. That's the real cost of procrastination. It's not the task you avoided, it's the life you never built. Let me break it to you. You will never feel ready. There's no magic day when motivation shows up, knocks on your door, and says, "Hey, I'm here, let's go." You think you're waiting for the right time, but what you're really doing is hiding. Hiding from fear. Hiding from failure. Hiding from the uncomfortable truth that success demands action before confidence. You know what procrastination really is? It's self-betrayal. It's you turning your back on your own future. Imagine your 10-year-older self standing right in front of you. They're looking at you with disappointment in their eyes. Because they know you could have been so much more. They know the opportunities you let slip away. They know the pain you're going to feel when regret hits. And you can't lie to them. You can't make excuses to them. Because they're you. They know every single reason you didn't take action. And none of them are good enough. Let me tell you something real. Procrastination doesn't kill you instantly. It kills you slowly. One delayed decision at a time. One "I'll do it later" at a time. One missed opportunity at a time, until your life is just a pile of what ifs and if onlys. So, how do you destroy it? You stop negotiating with yourself. The moment you think, "I should do this," you move. No overthinking. No waiting for perfect. No "I'll start Monday." You start now. Right now. Because action is the only cure for procrastination. Not motivation. Not inspiration. Action. Every single successful person you admire, they didn't get there because they felt like it every day. They got there because they acted, especially when they didn't feel like it. And here's the truth. If you only work when you feel like it, you'll never get anywhere. Because your feelings are lazy. Your feelings want comfort. Your feelings will tell you to scroll your phone, watch Netflix, take a nap. But your future needs you to fight those feelings. You have to start seeing procrastination for what it is. A silent dream killer. Every time you choose comfort over action, you're feeding it. And the more you feed it, the more it grows until it's not just a bad habit. It's your lifestyle. But you can starve it. You can kill it. And you do it by choosing movement over mood. Start small if you have to. Pick one thing. Do it. Then another. And another. Momentum will build. Confidence will grow. And the chains of procrastination will snap. But here's the warning. The moment you stop, the moment you get comfortable again, it will come back. Stronger. Hungrier. ready to pull you back into the same cycle. That's why this is not a one-time fight. This is war. Every day. So here's my challenge to you. Stop saying tomorrow. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop pretending you need more time. Because time is running out. Every second you waste is gone forever. And one day, you're going to wish, with every fiber of your being, that you had started today. So start now. Not after this video. Now, do the thing you've been avoiding. Send that email. Make that call. Write that page. Go to the gym. Launch the idea. Kill procrastination before it kills you. Because your dreams are waiting. And so is your future self. The one who's proud, successful, and free. But they only exist if you start today. Now, no more waiting.